So this has been a great spot to enjoy a quiet night and slow morning, but the storm is rolling in, the snow is just starting, and I want to get into town to prepare for the mountains before the roads get too treacherous. So I made it to town. The roads were totally fine. It is definitely snowing here. This place is super cute. I have been here before. But my goals here are to 1, wait out the snow, which is supposed to stop just after midnight. 2, plan my route through the mountains. And 3, make sure I'm fully prepared in case anything goes wrong and it takes me longer than expected.